Hey, this is Dan the Rock Man, and I'm here with an exciting new episode of Will It Polish? As you can see, I broke my table in that last week, and so we got it fixed up this weekend, and I'm ready to go. I have a couple pieces of really nice petrified wood that you can see that we're going to kind of work on, and we'll get those set up and we'll get polishing on them. Hey, if you like my videos that we're doing and the work that we're doing, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And that we're getting real close to having 1,000 subscribers. So as soon as we do, we're going to have a giveaway. So please comment, like, tell me what you want to see. And that, like I said, we're going to go ahead and get into some jewelry here this winter as the temperatures get a little colder. All right, let's get started. Woo! Okay, we got the grinding part done now, so we're going to kind of take a look at it and see. And that I don't want to spoil it. I'm not going to get it wet for you because I don't want you to see. But man, this is going to be sharp. It really is going to be cool. All right, so let me show it to you. All right, that's that first piece. We got it sanded down. Okay, you've got those pots, like I said, it's very porous. From that, so we're not going to get it all flat, but wait until you see it polished. It is going to be sharp. And there's that other piece. We finally got it in there. Let's get the focus on it. There we are. Good. Okay. All right, so I got it ground down. Now we're going to start with the 50 grit and get it going. Okay, I'm done with the 50. Let's see if we can get it focused. There we go. I'm going to go one more time because it's very important to try to get all those scratches out from the grinding. And I just want to make sure before I go to the next. It's kind of, you can start to see a little bit of what's going on in the colors. I'm going to keep it a secret still. And there's that petrified branch, it looks like, and that's coming out pretty good. You can kind of see the colors in it right now. All right, so let's keep on polishing. All right, so I just got done with the 300. I inspected both pieces, and one of them I see a little area with scratches. Okay, I'm going to try to show that to you. And so we're going to have to go back to 50, maybe the 100. I was just finishing up the 300 here. All right, so let me kind of show that to you. All right, as you can see, there's the 300 grit. And it's very, very slight, but I have some scratches right in here that I need to go ahead and clean that up. Because if I go any further, those scratches are going to stay in it, okay? I don't know if you can get the focus. We will try. But my scratches are right in this area right here. Everything else looks really good. Consistent with the polishing of the 300. But I've got to get that out right in here first. Alright, so let's keep on going, and then we'll get... Oh, by the way, you can really see some of the colors popping out. Wait till you see it polished. It'll be awesome. Alright, we finished it. 13,000 grit, and this is what it looks like. It is looking sharp. Look at all those colors in there. Okay, I really enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. And if you're not doing it, get out and do it. You can pick up some raw rock and start polishing. Woo, yeah. Look at that.
All right, thank you for watching, and I'll have links on how to polish these. I've done a video already on all that. This shows a little bit of the polished up product in that. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you're interested in buying equipment, I have an associate link with Amazon down below, and you can see the pads and the wet sanding equipment that you can use to polish up rocks just like I do. It's a fun game, so if you're interested, look into it and get some rock and enjoy. Again, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up and go ahead and like and subscribe if you appreciate it. And thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.